everyone, this is KG Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito reaction video, ang mga TNT Grand guest backer. Tama ba ako? The foreplay, which is Jeremiah Tiangco, Mark H, and Ian Manibale. What do you call this? Magpo-perform na naman here in its showtime. So, I am not pretty sure kung anong kakantahin nila since this is an on-the-spot reaction, and I hope sana mag-boom talaga, no, ang kanilang mga pangalan, and I mean mag-boom ang kanilang career for creating this kind of male singer, group male singer. Kasi it reminds me, yung mga ganitong klaseng grupo, it reminds me of Budakel talaga eh. Sina Daryl Ong, sina Bugoy, sina Michael Pangilinan, ganitong-ganito yung atake nila eh. So parang sila yung new version of Budakel. Pero kasi ang Budakel is 3 lang, sila 4. So in one second longer, let's all watch this. Manghaharana. Ayaw nila sabihin yung foreplay. Bakit naman ayaw niyo sabihin yung foreplay? Okay. Oh, love that. Iba talaga yung boses ni H, no? Okay. Ah, sorry. Okay. Okay. Oh, love that. Iyan Manibale. Ay! First time kong marinig na gumaganyan siya. Ay, si Ian yun? Wow! Maya. Ang boses ni H talaga. Iba talaga ang texture ng boses niya. Sa totoo lang. Oh, listen. Okay. Ay, Jeremiah Tiangco. Okay. It's been some... Okay. What's next? Boys to, ano nga ang kantang to? Boys to Men? Ito kalmado rin yung boses niya. See, come true, two, three. Ay, Maya, gwapo din ni Maya, no? Five. Five? Bakit naman ganun? Five pero dalawa. Wow, Jeremiah Tiangco never disappoints. Wala na pala talaga siya sa GMA ata. Okay. Daming fans ni H.
Just wanna be with you. Three, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me.
May chemistry ang boses ni H at ni Jeremiah. Sa totoo lang, pinapakinggan ko lang eh. Ang ganda ng chemistry ng boses nila. Grabe yung boses ni Ian. Grabe yung boses ni Ian. Sa totoo lang, I love the tone. I love the tone. Go, Maya. Sige nga. Wow, and he sustained that. And he sustained that. Ganda. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the Purple, ang ganda ng rendition nila sa totoo lang. Especially the texture of the voice of H and Jeremiah pag kinumbay mo, ang salap sa te. And of course, Ian Manibali never disappoints. So yeah, that is it for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!